Morning students, welcome back to the online class. We have completed all the chapters in our AVS, right? In social part, science part, both we have completed. And I hope you all have completed the notes also. It is almost 17 chapters, right? Some of you have completed before only, you have given for correction also. And some of you still your writing means please complete it fast and get it for the correction, okay? And now in this class, what we are going to do, we'll just revise the worksheet. Okay. This worksheet we are sending through PDF. You will get in a PDF also. You can write. And here also I'll teach once. Okay. I'll teach once. You can revise or else take out your rough notebook. Rough notebook in the sense where you will write the worksheet. From the first also we are telling no for worksheet, you have to maintain one book. That is no need a new book, any old books, okay? And some of you, most of you have written the worksheet in the classwork, this year's classwork. You should not write. Why we are telling no? Whenever we start the worksheet or revision, we are telling where you have to write the worksheet or revision in the old classworks. Means last year's the pages will be remaining, no? In that you have to write. But then too, so many of you have written in this year's classwork. You should not write like that, okay? This is a FA2, that is October worksheet. We are giving now October worksheet. Take one book. If it is written also last year's book, any of your book, take one book and write down all the worksheets in one book. Okay? Now this is EVS worksheet I am giving. Write today's date. Okay? Write today's date, subject EVS, and write October worksheet. Okay? Write today's date and write the subject, write EVS and write October worksheet. Okay? I'll start with the worksheet. What you have to do, take out your pen and sit, and one book where you are going to write the worksheet. See, in one book, if you start worksheet writing means all the subjects of that particular worksheet, you have to write in one book only. Okay, see now FA1 also wrote like that only. Now this also you will be writing like that only. October worksheet. October worksheet. Now, whichever ma'am gives, Kannada or Hindi or Maths, English, EVS, all 5 subject worksheet, it should be in one book. Understood? Now, we'll start writing. First May. Fill in the blanks. First May, write it as fill in the blanks. In that, first one. The ball of chipped foot is called as bowlers. The ball of chipped foot is called as bowlers. We have learned this in the food and digestion. Yes, no? The teeth formed between ages 17 and 21 are called wisdom teeth. The teeth formed between ages 17 and 21 are called wisdom teeth. Your food is digested in the digestive system. Your food is digested in the digestive system. Fourth one, India has a monsoon type of climate. Okay. Now, fifth one. Windmills produce wind energy. Sixth one. Petrol and diesel are obtained from petroleum. Seventh one. Black soil is formed from lava rocks. And the eighth one, forests prevent floods and soil erosion. This is the 8 fill in the blanks in your first main. Now once again I'll repeat that. You can write down. Okay. See, first main, it is fill in the blanks. How you have to start. First write today's date, EVS, and write October worksheet and start writing the first main. It is fill in the blanks. Okay. In that first one, the ball of achieved food is called as bolus. Bolus is the answer. We have learned this. Is no, the ball of chewed food. What we chew the food in our mouth is called as bolus. B-O-L-U-S, bolus. The teeth formed between ages 17 and 21 are called wisdom teeth. W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. T-E-E-T-H, teeth, wisdom teeth. Third one, your food is digested in the digestive system. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E, digestive system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Fourth one, India has a monsoon type of climate. Monsoon, M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Okay. Next, fifth one, windmills produce wind energy. Windmills. windmills, windmills produce wind energy. Sixth one, petrol and diesel are obtained from petroleum. Petroleum, Petroleum, petroleum. Seventh one, black soil is formed from lava rocks. Black soil, BLACK, black soil is snow. We all know this. By breaking down of the lava rocks, we are getting black soil. Forests prevent floods and soil erosion. Floods, FLOODS, floods. Soil erosion, SOIL, soil. EROSION, erosion, soil erosion. This is the first main, fill in the blanks. I'll just give 2 minutes time, copy down fast, and after that I'll erase and we'll go for the second main. Okay, copy down. Okay, shall I rub? I hope you all have copied. I'll rub this now. Okay, now second main. What is the second main? It is give one word. First one, a doctor who treats teeth problems is a dentist. Second one, the part of the tooth not covered by the gum is crown. Make sure that you will not do spelling mistakes, students. Third one, the hardest substance in the body is enamel. Fourth one, the innermost part of the tooth is pulp. The sticky substance that forms on the teeth is plaque. The first set of teeth. Milk teeth. Okay. In this given word, it is only 6. I'll just tell once. I'll just repeat once. If you are still writing, you can copy down. Okay. Second main, it is given word. In this first one, a doctor who treats teeth problems is a dentist. D-E-N-T-I-S-T, dentist. A part of the tooth not covered by the gum is crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. Next, third one, the hardest substance in the body is enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Fourth one, the innermost part of the tooth is pulp. P-U-L-P, pulp. The sticky substance that forms on the teeth is plaque. P-L-A-Q-U-E, plaque. The first set of teeth is milk teeth. Okay, this is the 2 mains I have given. Still, if you are writing, you can pause the video and I'll stop my class here. Only 2 mains I have given today. Copy down and complete. Remaining 2 days, remaining another 2 to 3 mains are there. That in the next class I'll be giving you. Okay, so that your worksheet will be completed. When you get the PDF, you can just go through that. Like you can just check it. Okay. Copy down this. Don't keep incomplete. Thank you, students.